Hi, I'm Derek. Welcome to my channel. This short video is about an installation of a 50 litre water tank under my Hilux ute. Bit of mucking around. The tray is a little bit shorter than a normal one, which suits me because the wheels are virtually in the middle of the tray. So it's a bit shorter. I've got to muck around to try and get it to fit, but yeah, hope you like it. Thank you. This is the 50 litre tank. There, the mounting bracket it comes with. That's an outlet. That can be an outlet. That can be an outlet. That's the breather, and that's the fill. It's a slimline, 115 mil up, 165 down to where these outlet pipes are. So it's very slim line. I think it's 8 mil thick, or 6 mil thick might be. Let's follow it, and I'll give you the direct dimensions. But there it is there. Okay, this is the fitting kit. This is the hose kit. Comes with the fill hose, the breather hose, taps and everything else you want here on it. Thread tape, everything is there to do it with. These also come with bungs. The tank comes with bungs and everything, but you have to have hoses coming off it to fill it and everything, so you may as well get that too. I'm just going to reverse these around so they come out this way, and then I can try and mount it in there. This is under my Hilux. I've removed the spare wheel. This bracket here, I just bolted in through 12mm bolts. It's a bit of 3mm by 3mm angle, 25 by 25. And I painted underneath. It's pretty rusty, but you can see over there where I haven't painted, but I'm still happy with it. So that's what I'm doing. I've moved some wires across, and I'm putting in this bolt so I can bolt another bracket to that. Righto. That's the next bracket I'm putting on. Just marked a couple of crosses where the holes are going to be drilled, and 2 G-clamps on a metal bracket. So it's going to take a bit of drilling through 3 bits of metal without breaking drill bits, which is hard. Anyway, so that's the bracket there I bought that steel from Bunnings. Okay, the 2 bolts are drilled now. 1, 2, there's a bracket. So that bracket is going to mount the other one is other bracket's going to come down here like that. That's going to hold the tank up. As usual, you need to drill a pilot hole, and then I used 6 drills in all total to drill a 12mm hole. Makes it easier. I've got a Milwaukee cordless 4 amp hour cordless drill, but it can still break your wrist if you're not careful, and it's very powerful, and a drill bit can explode. So always wear safety glasses, and if you step it up in stages like that, you don't have any trouble, but you can still lock it on and have had a drill bit explode, and a piece went in my legs today already. One exploded, but I luckily had safety glasses on. A little piece went in there, but it could be worse. So that's it. The mounting brackets are done. Take that G-clamp off now. Just holding it up, and then I can go get the other brackets. This is the water tank in over there, up to there, slimline. Now this height here is 115 mil, and the lowest point, which is where the outlets are, there's one over there, that's 165 mil. Had trouble getting it in because it's 200 mil shorter than a normal extra cab tray. Had to remove one of the hangers off the gear of the exhaust and try and strap it down, and eventually I got it in. Then I had to drill the holes, and but yeah, now it's mounted and everything's done. Windy today. Yeah, this is the fitting kit. Comes with thread tape, all the fittings you need to fit off the slimline tank, and that's what I'm going to do next. Let's fit this in, try and find a good location for everything, and then test it out. The tank comes with two bungs, these two bungs here, because there's 3 outlets on the tank, but it doesn't come with anything else. Yeah, so you can bung up the 2 outlets and just have one, or you can have 2 outlets connected together if you wish by redoing it, but 2 bungs and 1 outlet, then the fitting kit. You don't need the fitting kit, but I bought the fitting kit because it has clamps, taps, thread tape, everything on it. Okay, just finished putting this tap in. So it goes round there, down there, under the side, in the middle of the tank. It has 3 outlets on this tank. I've bunged up the other 2 with the bungs that's supplied, and it's got a stainless steel plate and a tap, lockable and everything else. And there it is there. The only thing I don't like about the kit, but it might suit other people, is that they put the fittings on and clamped them down. So you've got limited, you just can't cut them. You might be a bit short, but you could, I suppose. But if they come without fittings on them, it would have been better, but I've made them suit. You can see the curl in there, and I've clamped it up with a electrical saddle. That's the water tap. The breather pipe and the other pipe are run along the chassis. Only trouble is the pipes are short. I couldn't take them where I want to take them without extending them. So I've put them through here, through there, and mounted it on there, which will be slightly above the filler, I hope. Okay, on here is the filth and the breather pipe. Probably the only place I can get it unless I raise it up. No leaks. And this is the tap. Water coming out. Okay, well, I hope you like this video. It's just a one about installing this water tank, 50 litre. You can put 50, 75, 100 litre slimline ones in from Goths Plastics in Townsville. Probably other centres have the same similar thing, and they're nice and thick, probably between 6 and 8 mil, I think, from memory. I'll include some photos of the plans. Cheers, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.